for kids. How are you, dear children? Children, do you know that in SS we are going to start with a new chapter, and that is local self government, chapter number 9. So let's start with the new chapter. Okay, so the name of new chapter number 9 is local self government, and this is the first video of our chapter. So let's start with the chapter. The things we are going to learn in this chapter will be introductory part of the government, and we will see about governance in villages. So do you know what is government? No, right? So let's see it about it in detail with the introduction of it. Children, we know that India is a very big country, right? So many states are there, so many union territories are there. So it is a very big country. Hence, it is very difficult to control this much big country. Therefore, governing bodies at the central level, state level, and local level looks after the various problems related to our country. So, how many levels are there? Central level, state level, and local level. They looks after the so many problems are there in our country, so these levels look after the problems of our country. So let's see about it. Children, the central government's role is to protect the country's wealth, then build railways, then look after the union territories. So what is the role of central government? To look after the country's country is having, how much expenses country is going to afford, or how many how much income is there, how much profit is country's budget is earning, right? So central governments take care of those things. Then central government also see about the railways. We know that there are so many trains going on in the whole country. India has a large network of trains, right? So central government of take care of railways and look after it. And it also look after the union territories. Now we all know what is union territories, right? So central government looks after the union territories also. Moreover, the state government looks after the needs of their respective states. Means if I am living in Gujarat, then Gujarat government will take care of the Gujarat state. In the same way of Maharashtra, then of Karnataka, right? The state governments look after the needs of their respective states. It is difficult for central and the state government to look after the people at local level. Those levels who are living those people who are living in villages, it is difficult for the central and state government to take care of them, to solve their problems, right? So what they do, there is a local self government which is formed to look after villages, towns, and cities. So, local self government is formed by the people living in villages, towns, and cities, and they look after the small problems of towns and cities. Now, let's study about it, governance in villages in detail. The local government at the village level is called Gram Panchayat. We know that central level it is called countries level it is called central government. Then we know about at state level it is called state government. Now what at village level it is called? It is called as Gram Panchayat. Children, a panchayat is a group of 5 members. How many members are there? There are 5 members who looks after the need of people living in village. Any problem if people living in village is having, where they will go? They will go to panchayat to solve their problems. And panchayat is a group of 5 members. The members of the Gram Panchayat are chosen by the villagers who are 18 years old or above. Means these 5 members are selected by the villagers who are 18 years of the age. Means those who are below 18 years of the age, they cannot select these people, uh, or they cannot select the members of the gram panchayat, right? So who selects the members of the gram panchayat? Those villagers who are living in that particular village and they are of 18 years and above. A sarpanch is the head of the panchayat. Who is the head of the panchayat? Sarpanch is the head of the panchayat, and that head is selected by out of those 5 members. Those 5 members decide that one of them will be the sarpanch or head of the panchayat. The panchayat functions for the period of 5 years. Okay, that particular group of 5 members will be of now 5 years. After 5 years, again new group of the panchayat will be selected, right? So panchayat functions for the period of 5 years. The government has passed a rule which states that 1/3 of the members of the panchayat must be women. Means out of 5 members of the panchayat, 1/3 of the members should be the women. So this rule is passed by the state of the particular state and government. Okay. The panchayat meets every now and then to discuss important matters related to the village. Which panchayat is there, na, they meet very oftenly to discuss the matters which are very important for the village. Members of the panchayat discuss those problems and then find out the solution. They together work for the village and they together find out the solution. The main duties of Gram Panchayat are as follows. What is the work of the Gram Panchayat? To look after the cleanliness of village. If village is very dirty, then who is responsible for it? Villages and the Gram Panchayat. So Gram Panchayat takes care that village is very clean. Then to provide clean drinking water. Drinking water is very essential. So it is whose duty to look after that every members of the or every people of the village are getting the clean drinking water. It is the duty of Gram Panchayat. To dig wells, construct roads, and to set up medical and health centers. So it is very important to construct road also and to set up medical and health centers, right? So who take care of it? Gram Panchayat take cares of the needs of the people of the villages. Then to solve conflicts between the people in villages. Now if any problem has been there, or any two-person fights in the villages, or they are having some issues, then who solve these problems? The Gram Panchayat solves this problem, whatever it is there between the members of the villages. So it is the duty of the Gram Panchayat to solve conflicts between the people in villages. So these are the main duties of Gram Panchayat. What are these? Let's revise once again. To look after the cleanliness of village, to provide clean drinking water, to dig wells, construct roads, and set up medical and health centers. And last one is to solve the conflicts between the people in the villages. So that's what is all about the governance in villages from our new chapter number 9, local self-government. And children, go through it from students book, and whatever doubts you are having, you can ask to me in our online interactive classes. Okay, so read from the students book, and till the next video, take care of yourself. Bye bye.